Did you know there is a book no one on Earth can read? It has been sitting at Yale University for decades. Carbon dating puts it at the 1400s. It is covered in an unknown language, strange drawings of plants that do not exist, and diagrams no one can explain. Researchers call it the Voynich manuscript, and here is the part that should scare you. It is not the book itself that is disturbing. It is what the book does to people. Trained cryptographers. People who broke codes for governments and militaries. Brilliant, credentialed experts who spent years on this manuscript became completely convinced they had solved it, published their findings, and then watched everything fall apart. Colleagues picked their work apart in public. Reputations crumbled. And in several documented cases, their mental health went with it. The pattern repeats across centuries. Confident people go in. Something else comes out. As of today, not a single verified word has been decoded. Whatever this book is, it is still winning.